Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today our topic supplementary a magic pencil.
Children, are you ready to listen the story? Yeah, the story name is Magic Pencil. Children, do you like to color? Do you like to draw? What do you like to draw? Mostly children like to draw tree, dolls and flowers. Is it? Okay. In the story, a little boy, the boy name is Chris. He doesn't know to draw. Children, are you ready to listen the story? Good. Magic pencil. In this story, a little boy named Chris. Chris was a little boy. He enjoyed going to school and doing all sorts. Sorts means a type, okay? Type of things except art and writing. Children, he doesn't like art and writing. Using brushes and pencil was not easy for him. Children, what do you feel if I tell to draw? You are very enjoying, no? But Chris was not like that. He was not easy for drawing and writing. So his artwork was never a happy ending and he would give up quickly. But one day Chris found a pencil of such a lovely colors that he could not resist and he tried to draw a circle. And children, he could not resist. Resist means prohibit. Okay, he could not prohibit and he tried to draw a circle. As always, it did not go well. He was about to throw the pencil away. Just then, his drawing began to speak to him. Children, what a miracle! His pencil began to speak to him. The drawing asked to him, "Hey, are you going to leave me like this? At least draw me a pair of eyes." Chris was shocked, but he managed to draw two little spots inside the circle. The circle said, "Much better. Now I can see myself looking around at itself. Ah, what have you done to me?" Chris said, "I don't draw very well," trying to make excuses. The drawing said, "Okay, no problem." The drawing motivated Chris. "I'm sure that if you try again, you will do better. Go on, rub me out." So Chris erased the circle and drew another one like the first one. It was not very round. "Hey, you forgot my eyes again," the drawing said. Chris was very happy. "Oh yeah. I think I'm going to have to teach you how to draw until you can do me well," said the circle with its squeak little voice. Chris, who was still shocked, thought that This was a good idea. So Chris tried again and again. He immediately found himself drawing and erasing circles. The circle would not stop saying, "Rub this out, but carefully, it hurts," or "Draw me some hair quickly." And the drawing said, "I look like a lollipop. I look like a lollipop," and other funny remarks. Drawing gave a lot of comments, funny comments. After spending the whole afternoon together, Chris could now draw the little figure much better than most of his classmates. Chris was very enjoying it, so much that he did not want to stop drawing with this crazy new teacher of his. Before going to bed that night, Chris gave his new teacher a hearty thank you for teaching him to draw, because he was much happy. He didn't know to draw. He didn't like drawing and writing, but he did well. The little drawing answered, "I didn't do anything. Don't you see that you have been practicing a lot? Don't you see that you have been practicing a lot and enjoying it all the while? I bet that's the first time you have done that." The drawing said. What happened next? We continue in the next part.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.